Usually, Santas, you were high fabulous on Sunday when yet Nasty a fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Sem and Ghana Premier League to the Economy na Premier League na be you who win your home relegation now. One issue about league you about hooliganism. Later side the Kumu say match fixing the same so a PM and Bia Canadian and that's Nasi Prof was say a should I didn't about hooliganism match fixing and seminar Prof Aquaba. Yeah, share check. Prof, about hooliganism and you share a typical game like Brecum Chelsea Dreams. I remember coach no assistant coach no the only year no go to Koda Hospital said P hooliganism this animal Premier League no FA no did he do its best or may prevent it na
well I'm saying did come mention a fabulous zone before na enormous throughout the season no near na dia koneba game venue near that na also flowing on advice on the my taking in aboa amenima ku the season number we now back to the question of this side I think say adibia no ya ohwe say ekowi ya ekoyi na koyi na yehwe ba bia free ba ya anas nseme ba ya football mo na yin say ya tena fi football command dey ya the name go come normalization committee ba ya mo kire nyama kwan faso nyama na say ya ba be ball league na league ni be kowi ye hu nyama bia ye hu ye sisi e che say emfa kwan mo in fact, most of the coach issue here, or the starting case here, which in a reporter appear out. I was said, a true baby of fakey. Mukumio, there were police officers around. And sounds Oman who said, ye chasing referee. Dwarf's coach issue by one thing. Yeah, auntie, she, Nano. To say FA no born money, we make us FA no money. Because there never be a while, you say our intelligence before the game, Muna hints from Venus, say Abia BBC Air Koso. The fine example I'm making was Karela versus Mediama. Their first meeting, you book Karela for, and almost send a signal saying, baby, move back your home man. A very retaliate. Media Maka issue. And the F in that time, where were they? Where were they? And then anyone would go up some preventive. Sanka F in cry, Ubia or person or preventive incidents on money happen and commit me a Karela home no at their back to say different venue. Said the Bayer fans in our home honor on the hard you need access and hardware. Chiefs in that area, afraid two side normal tenacity, and in foreign normal tenacity, as I say, Uncle Bon as with you, but they didn't hear. So, your poor born I finished our bandit, Savenigo. Meanwhile, several instances or other venues are a mass number committee and you cry home verdict Emma Bontin, but the CEO a year and national that night now a bandit one. I'm a cramming ball on my so. Then come back why is as swift actions here my India and can say Sunday man but I think again to prevent that barbaric acts from fans, it's not about banning a club from the venue. It's about preventing fans from accessing the venue. Because club now and yet or no per se say club managers and as players now I bro be minimum supporters. And other bro being to also abandon club. Club no ever incur debt. Will be too coin. Or move through you said you're playing a suit. You're playing players better than bars no go up and down, but hobo match will lose. So I say. In the Argentina, won't prevent any but close gates. Empty stadium. If you are for 5 matches, fans be any access to watch your match. Honor fans will be swim. But if you are so you abandon club from venue. Or several the band we are fans no dey no on the samba bat on you who be pray you go area na you dey see ho ko Brecum Chelsea the city brown house area ho aye I say
on the side I bet no ko pene say you
the club be e ko kwa usro we na your friend no bring back the love na so they say you share match fixing near the idea a later part of the season says so clubs need be Betty, journalists like Sadiq Obama, Kim Faisal versus Ashwood. Betting company sending a message said this game, Oma bet. Now this is the scoreline. Or sending a message in my GFA, according to him. Or sending my Kim Faisal officials. On board we not scoreline near the same thing. And then I'm on the GFA too far. Yet you are nice good. Any entire life. You see, almost Akobeti.
That's why they say money Jana Crown in cars, I didn't come by.
And the and I think why you're behind us and money cost. Because I'm remembering one of the FA ESCO member have a discussion and I make say, oh, I was say or multi charge fans or catch them say me footballers. Now the question I'm asking is why do they allow police officers to go into the stadium? Almost they don't almost presence in the stadium for what purpose?
To maintain law and order.
Janet in a year officially, now police officer you within order. So that I know that GF only police service in Ghana. I will BB to prevent these issues into the stadium. Into identity and our catcher say it's elsewhere like EPL. A year and yet if you do be court. Name police in a charge of video court. And I didn't know only Ghana police service and having the same offender agreements. Now almost to me and prosecute fans now. Yes, I am. I prevent him from doing that because fans get said, oh, my Ubiako stadium, Wakobo be and now couldn't say who be now yet not to even just 6 months per crana. Fun be video stadium or bedroom. And yet, match fixing betting in a coffee. Your quarter, according to Sadiq Obama, the number is sticky. Sa bet between Kim Faisal Ashwood. Omu tracing number, an official of Ashwood. Yeah, we have it on our Moody.
Okay.
On our Moody. But what I said, number no, an official of Ashwood. GFA, ya send those idea we are before the game.
Powerful evidence, man.
What time my man happening about season? We have we invited that journalist on Rambe Face Committee, no for evidence in Bra. And yes, source I man so. Now, me interview Bichim on a friend saying, is it Agama? Nana also a town. Bichim Bonano. Also, we drive from Accra to Bichim. So, only neighbor be a deal. Now, Bichim for matches on my bed.
Betting,
I could deep. GFA or prevented betting from a game now. And yet, your body season you move to a bit. Better not go bet.
Suddenly, a person need headline sponsor.
That's it. It is almost a cabra a ballegino. Almost a ballegino. I mean, in a club, individual clubs, 8 million sponsorship. Not every 8 million sponsorship, a man league, not everyone. Individual clubs now corrupt. I remember my corrupt because player pride never go who is a master. Boy, you go here, score and say na you two, you are betting. 2 boy man go to do idea or you amount 10,000. Player ben na only.
You don't know 10,000 who
be that. The winning bonus yes, the magic salary yes. In his occasion, remember the 2,000 in that same game. Remember the 2,000 cities crown. Player the that didn't tell him pure Mukai. I didn't tell him it's come and league.
Now about match fixing, no, it's a team like Ashwood because the media ambassador never bounty. I like for now. I'm going to say I'm they don't care. They came to play a clean game because the shop on mobile. I like for no show.
It's a lie.
It's another bad.
According to player no share no said or no what Tiadian will camp. Say Ashwood for a betting game. It is score line 5-1. It will depend on who 5 goals number. 5 goals number is not as good players, no, have your own pressure. In Allies, you prepare no relaxation. Aha. Omutimi ball, prayer ball, 18 anymore. Now good for relaxing. Send in Allies, Beshibu. Now 5-1 I hate one. Wouldn't say betting in so. Scholar and our operating in a boom to make cash out. In the end of catching the coach said, Coach, my man, I'm going to come back with you. Master 18.
And the sacrifices of bro, yeah, cop up and down, go full cool more resources now. Is it worth it? Yeah. At the end of the day, no go full because they're
in football. Until say mafia some be free. You believe? Because me EP almost start here na me hwe. Across posted on pitch. There better change Old Trafford pitch. Because at that time na me monitor Anthony Eboa of Leeds United. Mbabo boy you be home just you you fit poto. From 92 up till now, hwe EP home venue ben and I go say club no the park be be my conscious effort say omo percent omo league no I number 1 in the world. Yeah, conscious effort na yeah. See a bomb matches here say ya call lenses one ya call check you center way. Yeah, pass on meeting